This position is actually from a game I played in the New York City Elementary School Championship in 1988. My opponent was a boy named Nicholas Proudfoot. He had the white pieces, I was black. Here I have forced mate in 4. Take your time, black to move. You just learned the critical idea in the last exercise. Good job. First, knight f2 check. King g1. Now it's mate in 3 for black. Take your time, play the best move. Notice, of course, the black knight can move anywhere it wants to with discovered check, but there's only one way to force mate. Do you see it? Good move. Knight h3 check. King h1. Now it's forced mate in 2. Take your time. What is it? Excellent work. A queen sacrifice. Queen g1 check. Very similar to what we just saw. The knight on h3 guards the queen on g1, so the king can't capture. But white's knight on f3 can take it. Knight takes g1, and now do you see the smothered mate? Knight f2, checkmate, and black wins the game. I actually went on to win this tournament. This was a very important tactic for me. Now, returning to the original position for a second, let's take a look. I just want you to notice that, of course, black couldn't initially play queen g1, because white can play king takes g1. The whole idea of the initial 2 moves, knight f2 check, king g1, knight h3 check, was that after king h1, queen g1, the white knight has to capture, smothering its own king. Of course, after knight h3 double check, white could also have played king f1. Do you see the mate in 1 here? It's a support mate. Queen f2. The knight on h3 also guards the f2 square, and black wins the game here. The reason I gave you the last exercise first is because you may have had more trouble with that one than with this one, even though this one was much more complicated. I want you to recognize the importance of learning patterns and then applying those patterns to other situations. Now for your last exercise, an extra challenge.